Lox Loaded. That's the catchy name behind a new gun club formed right here in Chicago.
It's aimed at giving Jews and allies the tools and training to defend themselves as anti-Semitism has reached historic levels in the U.S. Our Charlie DeMar takes a closer look.
On this Saturday morning, Gail Pearlstein doesn't observe the Jewish Sabbath in the traditional sense, but she does lead a weekly ritual of a different kind.
It's never been easy being Jewish, but it feels harder and harder.
Feel free to get in with me, and we'll shoot together nice and slow. I think people that were in liberal households or weren't accustomed to firearms are realizing that the police cannot be there at every street corner at every event.
Most of those pulling the trigger at this gun range in Lombard are inexperienced shooters like retired psychologist Dr. Marla Friedman.
Feed your magazine. Give it a little jiggle to make sure it's in there.
I do not want to shoot anybody, but I don't want to be prepared.
Others in the class say they never had an interest in guns until recently.
I never thought that I would own guns or shoot guns as a hobby.
We really love our identity and we'll do anything to preserve it. And if that means defending ourselves, we will.
It's just 5 yards. Bring your target back and switch out.
Pearlstein, a firearms instructor with Lucky Star Tactical, started Lox Loaded.
Lox Loaded is a shooting club for people of the Jewish heritage and their allies. We are 100% inclusive.
This is just one of several chapters that meets regularly in the Chicago suburbs and a handful of other states.
It doesn't take a village, it takes a town, it takes everybody.
Pearlstein says since launching Lox Loaded in March, more than 200 people have signed up. And since October 7th, 2023, Pearlstein says sales for firearm instruction have jumped some 60%.
You are your first offender. And that's where we come in. That's where we're training you safely.
FBI data from last year showed that anti-Jewish hate crimes made up nearly 70% of all religion-based hate crimes. And according to the State of Antisemitism in America report published in February, 33% of American Jews say they have been the personal target of anti-Semitism, either in person or online, at least once this past year. In June, a man was arrested for throwing Molotov cocktails at a group of demonstrators who supported the Israeli hostages taken by Hamas in October 2023. Weeks earlier, a Chicago man was arrested for shooting and killing 2 embassy staffers outside the Capitol Jewish Museum in Washington, D.C. Hate crime and terrorism charges were announced late last year after a Jewish man was shot while walking to synagogue in West Rogers Park.
So now you're more on target.
Back at the range, members of Lox Loaded we spoke to say they were drawn to the class due to the increase of anti-Semitic incidents and rhetoric.
It's a cause I really believe in. I'm super concerned about the state of things in the world right now.
This is an opportunity for the Jewish community and our allies to really learn how to, use the Second Amendment effectively and defensively.
While Pearlstein teaches her students to avoid violent or confrontational situations, some say they want the skills to protect themselves, just in case.
I want every able-bodied Jew to have a gun.